Two thumbs in the sky means you guys are ready to ride. Enjoy the steepest drop here at Six Flags New England. To those in the station, oh, great shirt last row, great shirt.
Oh my god, no! Oh, that's pretty big. That was actually like, yeah, it was actually really fast. I was not expecting that.
I got tighter.
Yo, did you press down on it?
It lifts me up. Things I was doing.
No, I don't think so. Not from the team that fast. Yo, we need to gotta wait till rolling like a rag doll.
You get lifted up?
I got lifted everywhere.
When we have no focal stop, you can go ahead, push up on those lap bars, exit off to your left, and enjoy